Starting a business on Shopify is a structured process that involves planning, setting up your store, and implementing effective marketing strategies. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to launch a successful Shopify store. Number 1, research and planning identify your niche before you start, determine what products you want to sell. Conduct market research to identify a profitable niche. Consider factors like demand, competition, and target audience. Business plan. Draft a business plan outlining your business goals, target market, marketing strategies, financial projections, and operational plans. This will serve as a roadmap for your business. Number 2, setting up your Shopify store sign up for Shopify visit Shopify's website and sign up for an account. Shopify offers a 14-day free trial which you can use to explore the platform and set up your store. Choose a plan. Select a pricing plan that suits your business needs. Shopify offers several plans, each with different features. For most new businesses, the basic Shopify plan is sufficient. Domain name. Choose and register a domain name that reflects your brand. Shopify allows you to buy a domain directly through their platform, or you can use a domain you already own. Number 3, store design and setup choose a theme. Shopify offers a variety of free and paid themes. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand aesthetics and provides a good user experience. Customize the theme to match your brand's colors, fonts, and layout preferences. Customize the theme to match your brand's colors, fonts, list your products on the store. Include high-quality images, detailed descriptions, pricing, and inventory information. Organize products into categories for easy navigation. Set up payments. Configure your payment gateways. Shopify supports multiple payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and Shopify payments. Ensure your chosen payment methods are convenient for your target audience. Configure shipping. Set up your shipping options and rates. Consider factors like shipping destinations, carrier services, and delivery times. Shopify integrates with several shipping carriers to streamline the process. Legal pages. Create essential legal pages, such as terms of service, privacy policy, and return policy. These pages are crucial for building trust with customers and complying with legal requirements. Number 4, launch preparation test your store before launching, thoroughly test your store. Make a test purchase to ensure the checkout process works smoothly. Check for any errors or issues that need fixing. SEO optimization. Optimize your store for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your product titles, descriptions, and meta tags. Shopify's built-in SEO features help improve your store's visibility on search engines. Integrate apps. Enhance your store's functionality by integrating apps from the Shopify app store. There are apps for email marketing, social media integration, customer reviews, and more. Number 5. Marketing and promotion social media create business profiles on social media platforms where your target audience is active. Share engaging content, product updates, and promotions to attract followers and drive traffic to your store. Email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters to keep customers informed about new products, promotions, and news. Use email marketing tools like MailChimp or Klaviyo. Paid advertising. Invest in paid advertising to reach a broader audience. Platforms like Facebook Ads, Google Ads, and Instagram Ads offer targeted advertising options to help you reach potential customers. Content marketing. Start a blog related to your niche. Publish valuable content that addresses your audience's interests and needs. This helps drive organic traffic to your store and establishes your brand as an authority in your niche. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers in your industry to promote your products. Influencer endorsements can significantly boost your brand's visibility and credibility. Number 6. Post-launch activities. Monitor performance. Regularly monitor your store's performance using Shopify's analytics tools. Track key metrics like sales, traffic, and customer behavior to identify areas for improvement. Customer feedback. Encourage customers to leave reviews and provide feedback. Use this feedback to improve your products and customer service. Continuous improvement. Stay updated with e-commerce trends and continuously improve your store. Experiment with new marketing strategies. Optimize your product listings and enhance the customer experience. Conclusion. Starting a business on Shopify involves careful planning, effective store setup, and strategic marketing. By following these steps, you can launch a successful Shopify store and build a profitable online business. Focus on providing value to your customers and continuously adapt to the changing market dynamics to ensure long-term success. Thanks for watching.